for the name, I will call it host node. Then security group, I will call it host node SG, and here I will add a role. So this option I will allow the other EC2 instance that reside within the VPC in organ to ping my EC2 instance, and for that we should add the all ECMP protocol to our EC2 instance, and here I should allow only the only the instance, or only the request is come only from the VPC that is reside, or that is in the organ region. So launch instance, right? Launch it for my key pair. Launch instance. I will launch another instance. This instance will be our control node where our Ansible will run on it. So let me run another instance. So select now this one and submit to right. Add storage, add tags, add tag, and give it a name here, and for name we say control node, and security group I will keep it as the previous one. So come here, say security group review launch my key pair and launch. Nice. So I remember something. Let me come here and check whether this route table is configured well, as we hope. Okay, good. So here in the other side, we'll run an instance in the organ VPC. Paris region. This is our instance are running well. Okay, so here instance launch instance. Right, and here go with organ VPC public subnet, add storage, add tag, give it a name, and it will be the host name, the host node. And for security group, I will call it the host node, and I will add a role, and this is ping and only from the VPC with the CIDR that we created in the Paris region. So only the instance within the region, the Paris region, within the VPC that reside within the Paris region, only that instance that can ping my instance that reside within the VPC within the region, the organ region. Review on launch, and here I can create and call it host node 2, host node 2, then download it, then launch it. So to connect to my EC2 instance, we can either use Mobox term, or you can come here, check here, right, connect, right, and here you have options, and you can connect here. If you click on it, this will open another tab here, and there will be an SSH connection. but we will go with mobox term, but you can use the other one as well. So for mobox term, let me run mobox term. Copy station SSH EC2 user, and here I will use my key pair. So let me here change the name of table, and they will call it host node barracks. Okay, right. We have another one here, and connect to the control node. Copy station, copy and paste here. EC2 user settings and mic there. And let me change its name. Because we have only one control node with our Ansible run on it. So, okay, here. Then the last one is to run the SSH, the EC2 instance that reside in the organ region. Copy, paste here, EC2 user here, SSH, open it. Okay, and I will call it, rename it host node organ. Okay, right. So now let me come here, clear this, right, and clear. So the first step, create here user, and this one will call it host node. So add user host node, add then right, use password, retype the password. Okay, good. Then we will modify the etc soldiers file to allow this user to use the sudo command. For that we use host node, right, all no password, all right, and add it this sudo. Nice, good. Other is to try to change the host name to node host node, the host node, and we try to switch to our host node, our user. Yes, it's working. Same thing here. I will sudo root, create add user, call it control node, and then control node, right, give it a password. Nice, then have to add that to coders file, that control